Thought for the day, Friday, July the 26th. Believe in the power of love. For a new world. It is necessary to make a new world where everybody loves everybody else. This is what God wants, and one has to start somewhere. The Christian's place is a strategic one. They can be the first to love because, as they are loved by God, they also know how to love enemies. In fact, Christians are especially able to overcome the difficulties they come across when trying to love, because theirs is a stronger love. As God's children, they participate in God's love itself, in God, who is love. Chiara Lubich, The Art of Loving, Ciudad Nueva, page 43. The word of life for July 2024. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.